Or you want me to just stand over here? Or you want me to bring the kit here? Or over here? What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys know, this is episode 4 of the transformation build on this BMW M4. So next stage, like Anthony stated on the past video, we are on the point where we're going to be installing the AAConceptsCo parts on this M4. If you follow me over here, we have all the parts laid out. We have the diffuser, side skirts, we have the front lip here, we have the Swan neck wing, and this other side skirt. So how we're gonna tackle this is we're probably gonna start off with the side skirts just because this is already all wrapped and ready to go. We are gonna start by also mocking up the wing back here. So if you guys notice, we haven't wrapped this yet, just due to the fact that we don't want any debris to scratch the wrap or anything like that. So we wanna do a pre-install, do the pre-drilled holes, and then go ahead and wrap that and just throw the wing on. So without further ado, guys, let's get on to transforming this M4. All right, so what we're gonna do is be installing the Alright guys, so we are gonna start off by installing the Swan neck wing on this. So something we like to do is mask it off, the whole surface, because we just don't want any debris, or like I said it before, was any of the metal shavings to like pretty much damage the area. We're also gonna be covering up the interior of this because we don't want obviously to work double, you know, vacuuming and all that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get started on masking this off and just making measurements and making sure that that wing is centered as much as possible. So this is mounted pretty good. You guys wanna come in here, check out the wing. Pretty much we already installed the brackets on this, so it's all good to go for test fitting. I don't know if you guys knew this, but AAConceptsCo actually puts a little dot to mark the center of wing. So pretty much that center has to be aligned to the center of the shark fin antenna. There's gonna be some measurements needed.
They should make a wing for it though. I think that'd be pretty dope.
That would be dope. But I don't know, I feel like wings look weird on like 4-door cars.
Yeah, you have to do it right too.
Yeah, right. Make everything look good. So yeah, guys, like Aiden, I'm sure mentioned, measuring before you install any wing or even front lip is key to making sure everything's fully centered, because if you don't do that, you'll notice the brackets will sit a little wonky, and same thing for a spoiler. The edges will kind of lift up a little. But if it's fully centered, brackets or even a spoiler should just sit completely flush and have no lifting. So it's important to do your measurements. There's no rush, especially when you're doing a wing like this, because this is a big piece, and once those holes are drilled, there's really no going back.
How is it going in though? A little easier? No, yeah, they supply these now. They're called Tong A2070.
If this is your guys' first time seeing this wing, we actually debuted this kit with AAConceptsCo at SEMA last year, and I'm pretty sure we're the first ones in the USA with this wing. What I'm trying to get at is they didn't supply this hardware last time, and it was a pain in the beep. So yeah, it's a lot easier now with this one.
Just looks better. Yeah, this is better. Alright guys, so now that we tested it, the Swan neck wing, and installed the side skirts, now we're moving on to the rear bumper. As you can see, the trim pieces are already installed, so all you gotta do is slap it back on, throw on the diffuser. If you come to the front, guys, you guys will notice the front bumper is still not on due to the fact that it's still getting painted. All we gotta do there is pretty much wrap it, throw on the front splitter, and it's pretty much all good to go. Adro kit's gonna be complete. So let's get on with it, guys.
So guys, we're at the end of the video. As you can see, the rear diffuser is on, and holy crap, it looks super good. Keep in mind this diffuser was $3,000, and we decided to drill into it and do a custom rear brake light. We actually have the same setup on our shop M4, and we get tons of compliments from all of you guys. The front bumper is out being painted because there's certain pieces on there that do need to be in gloss black. We cannot wait to continue this series with you guys. Please make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss more. I mean, just look at the M4, it's coming out amazing. We cannot wait to share more with you guys. Stay tuned.